Hello everyone, I am Devashmita Das from BTech CSC AIML and recently I have joined the Python workshop organized by the TIUT Coding Club from the 2nd to the 8th of April. It was an amazing experience, not just because we learned a lot, but because we enjoyed the process. Students from various departments joined in and it was great connecting and learning together. And I believe when we enjoy what we learn it better. This workshop was an example of that.
Hello, myself Diganta and I'm from the Department of English, Technical University of Tripura. If I would say something about the workshop which we have gone through the last 5 days, so it was an amazing and great experience for me as from the non-technical background. So I think for most students from the Department of English could explore such things to bridge the gap between the literature and technology. We can use technical tools and AI tools for using the explore or the research works and something new concepts. I'm really thankful to the Department of CSC, the CSC background, and to the TIUT Coding Club for organizing such kind of workshops, and I think we will do better in the further workshops.
Hello, I am Trisha Chakraborty, a student of BSc Biotechnology second semester from Techno India University, Tripura. Recently, I had the opportunity to participate in a Python workshop organized by the TIUT Coding Club. It was a great experience there. As a student of biotechnology, I feel really privileged that I could participate in this workshop, as it would help me in my future research works in my field itself. It was a really productive experience, and the mentors there and all the seniors who organized the workshop were really helpful and encouraging. It was altogether a very good experience.